Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for coming back and checking out another mystery box unboxing. So today we have a $360 box from Sole Supremacy, but we'll get right into this box right after this. Alright, so today's box, like I said, comes from Sole Supremacy. So Sole Supremacy is the one who created the whole mystery box, beater box type of thing, and they always have the best return on investment. So I'm super excited that I got this. I do have a membership there, but I am a new member and they haven't activated my membership yet, which kind of sucks. Thank you so much to Jimmy. This is his Instagram. He's another beater box member and he always posts stuff for sale, so go ahead and check his stuff out. Thank you again for hooking me up with this and a couple other boxes. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, I think I opened this box upside down. So, fail. All right, so for a $360 mystery box, there's actually a lot of pairs here. So I'm guessing that there's not really anything hype, but it's actually gonna be stuff that are just a bunch of decent pairs, maybe a lot more used shoes. But let's go ahead and see how we do. So over here we have a counter and it's going to tell us how much each shoe goes for on the market. So the value that is given does not necessarily mean how much I'm selling for, it's just an estimated price. So after that, we're going to go ahead and total that sum up and see how it compares into the price of the box, and then we'll kind of see how much profit we're actually going to make. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. And the first pair I do see is a pair of Jordan 3 black cements. Now, these are a size 9.5 and they are used, but honestly, this is gonna be some good money really quick. The reason why I say that is because quick clean, they'll look really good. There's nothing really wrong with them, but it'll be a good cup, like maybe $100, $200 to the counter. So 9.5, not bad. And by the way, Sole Supremacy does stuff like this. That's why it's called a beater box, is that it's supposed to be filled with beater shoes that you're supposed to learn how to clean and learn how to restore. And if you guys want to learn any of that stuff, I have a video up about how I cleaned a couple of pairs of shoes and how much I increased their market value. So go ahead, the video link is gonna be right here. Well, I'm tired of my hat, so hat please. Sorry, I'm tired of my hair. I'm not tired of my hat. So cut. I'm just kidding. All right, so let's go ahead. So the next box we have, it says it's a hyperdunk in a size 8.5, and that's exactly what we have. We have a pair of the hyperdunks. I think this is like a 2018 2019 version. I could be wrong. 2017, I don't know. I haven't played in hyperdunks for a long time because I think it was like after the 10 or something like that. They were not that great. So these ones were a little bit better. I think these ones might have React cushioning. I forget if this is when they were introducing that, but they do seem to be just a little dusty on the bottom, but I think they're dead stock. So just a basic hooping shoe, something probably good if you're just, you know, playing around. Maybe you're not too serious about basketball and you're not looking for one that's super specific for your playing style. So if you're just like, you know, having fun in the park, whatever, that's probably a good shoe, and I'm pretty sure I'll put them up for a decent price. Lebron James. LeBron James. In a size 8.5. A low. And so we have a pair of these. So these are the LeBron 12 lows. You got those hex pods, zoom bags. So that's definitely, you know, helpful, more comfortable. Even this foam right here is pretty soft. And then you got like this foam posit type of vibe back here. LeBron James in the back. It says earned 23. And over here you got, you know, your mesh with some fly wire for some protection, and right here the branding for Nike Zoom. And I actually kind of liked this version. I'm not entirely sure how they performed on the court, but I do think it's a cool shoe. 8.5. All right, We got a couple of other boxes, Jordan boxes, nice. So this is not nice, maybe, I don't know. 8.5 Jordan Son of Low. I don't know what that is. So here we are. So these are that's kind of cool. FC official. So Flight Club official. I guess they came from Flight Club. So these are a size 8.5. They are dead stock. I don't know what shoe this really is. Just because it looks like it has some hints of 6s and 3s. It might be one of those kind of Spizike shoes where they put a bunch of different models together. So yeah, not bad. I like olive though. So a lot of 8.5s. Maybe it was an 8.5 collection. So another 8.5 Jordan Superfly 4. And these are another hoop shoe, another dead stock shoe. And this honestly isn't bad. I think I remember someone talking about these and that they're actually a pretty good hoop shoe. So we'll see how that does. A pair of Reeboks, Allen Iverson. So we have a pair of these Iverson shoes. This looks very similar to some of these other Nike shoes. I forget what they're called, but they have the same kind of woven pattern. But fun fact, growing up as a kid when I was playing basketball, Allen Iverson was my favorite player. If you are too young and have never watched Allen Iverson play, please go watch some of those highlight videos. Allen Iverson was one of the best point guards to ever play. And I used to wear number 3 all the time when I was a kid for my jersey of choice. So Allen Iverson, dope shoe. Yeah, these are dead stock as well. So lots of dead stock shoes, even in this cheaper box. So hopefully that will make it a little bit easier for me to sell. And finishing off the box, we have 2 more pairs. Another 8.5, a Jordan Superfly 2, which another basketball shoe right here. Size 8.5, dead stock. Not really much else to say about these, I guess. So, last shoe in the box. Another 8.5. And another Jordan Superfly. So, this one's actually pretty clean colorway. This one actually looks like it was, these might be dead stock, honestly. They just kind of look tried on, and I like the colorway at least. It's like an Olympic colorway. So you got that red, white, and blue, but there's still the sticker in here from like Foot Locker, and it says that these retailed for 140 bucks. So if they're still dead stock, I wonder if they can reach that price range. That's pretty much for the entire box. There's nothing really cool in here. Like, a lot of these are just, I do think it was an 8.5 collection, and there was nothing really too crazy. Honestly, the best shoe was probably the Jordan 3s in the black cement colorway, just because once I clean them up, I'll probably get over 50% of my money back. You know, so we're in at 360. After I clean these up and sell them, I'll say I'm about at 180, and then 180 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of shoes is pretty good. So even though I'm not at 8.5, there's a lot of hoop shoes. So if you guys want to hoop and you guys want to kind of just play in some pretty decent shoes, then hit me up. You can look at my eBay or my Instagram. And so maybe I'll be surprised with this counter over here. So kind of let's break it down really quick. So here's the market value for all the shoes here, and this is how much they total, and this is how much we paid for the box, and this is how much potential profit I'm going to make. So the difficulty of this box is that there's not really cool shoes in here like Jordan 3s.
Wait a minute.
Or wait, there was a Jordan 3. There's not other cool shoes like a Jordan 1 or like a collaboration shoe or different things that we get from my higher tier boxes when I spend $1,000, $2,000. This is kind of what it looks like, where reselling shoes isn't only about buying hype shoes and making money. You can buy shoes that maybe aren't super hype, but to the general public that doesn't really care about sneakers, they're like, this is a Jordan shoe and it's a hoop shoe and I can play in it. So sometimes that's all that matters. So honestly, it's not a bad box. It's underwhelming, but also most of the shoes are brand new, so that's going to be really good for us to move quickly, and hopefully we can get a lot of sales through eBay and Go if they have them up on Goat. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe, please like. If you guys are interested in smaller boxes, let me know, or if you guys like the bigger boxes, please let me know in the comments down below, because I want to put out content that is good for you. I just wanted to try and give a smaller box a chance. So there's more Sole Supremacy boxes coming, so make sure to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you all next time. Peace.